back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today's video is going to be packed full of multiple different job leads that are hiring right now, all are remote work from home. Most of them don't require any kind of a college degree. We even have one from Spotify that does not require any kind of college degree. Very high paying, anywhere from $77 an hour all the way up to $110 an hour. That's a little over $4,400 a week. We are going to dive all into it. The links to all the pages I share are linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. We have customer service, we have social media, we have a little bit of a something for everyone. So make sure that you have a drink or a snack. Give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoy any of these work from home job leads that I share. That does give me that direct feedback that you are enjoying these. Of course, if you know anyone who these would be helpful for, please share with all your friends and family. We all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But to not waste any time, we are going to dive right on in. First up, we have the company Rockbot. Now, Rockbot only has 23 reviews from current and past employees that have worked for them on Glassdoor. So please, as always, make sure you're doing your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 23 reviews, though, they do have a very high employee satisfaction rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer support representative. Now, this is remote for the United States. All of these positions are going to be for the United States only. This one is decently paying, I think $50,000 to $60,000 a year. But Rockbot has a TV product, and they are looking for somebody to work customer service for their TV product that is widely deployed in locations across the country that reach tens of millions of viewers. Now, even though they're hiring remote throughout the United States, you do need to be able to work in the Eastern Standard Time Zone. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But they're looking for somebody to basically just create an amazing experience for all their customers. You're going to have upbeat communication with incoming customer emails, calls, chats. You'll help the customers with billing issues, product problems, service questions, and any general client concerns that they have. You're going to triage tickets by knowing when and where to escalate issues and escalate customers up. You'll solve tickets through one-touch resolution. So you'll try to fix the issue for the customer the first time so that they don't get frustrated having to call back. And of course, you'll update any customer information in the customer service database during each call. You'll make sure you have their current address, phone number, all of that type of stuff. Now, no college degree is needed, just 1 year experience in a fast-paced customer service environment. Or if you have retail service or something like that, somebody who has great communication skills and the ability to work both independently and as a team, and great time management skills of being a multitasker. Now, they would like somebody who's familiar with Zendesk, Slack, or G Suite. That is a plus. It's not required, but it might get you to the top of the line. Again, pay for this position is anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $60,000 a year. So $60,000 a year for a customer service job is a pretty good. Moving right along, if social media is your thing, the company Ellevest, they have 28 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.3 out of 5 star rating. They are hiring a social media manager, again remote within the United States. Now, Ellevest is fast growing, venture-backed financial services startup built by women for women. But they're basically looking for an experienced social media manager to lead their organic social media strategy and drive growth for the company. So you're going to be responsible for content creation from ideation to execution, working closely with the creative team. So you're going to have to come up with the ideas for content to be posted. You're going to have to make that content and you're going to have to post it. So you're going to see the social media strategy all the way through. So you will be having to create content. So you're going to develop and execute a data-driven social media strategy, focusing specifically on Instagram. So you're going to look at product offerings contributing to the overall company goals. You'll manage and oversee the execution of the strategy with the stakeholders, creating, scheduling weekly content across their priority social media channels. You'll develop unique, engaging storytelling through the campaigns and posts, and you'll identify and source industry and pop culture trends the Ellevest brand team should create social content around. So you got to stay up to date on those trends, making the social content trendy and very popular. They're looking for somebody who has 3 to 4 years experience in social media marketing, someone who can demonstrate expertise in social media content creation, strong creative writing skills, someone who is a go-getter, and because you're creating content, you got to have experience with those design tools like Adobe Premiere or Figma, but no college degree is required. Now, this is a very high paying job. It is paying anywhere from $80,000 a year all the way up to $100,000 a year. Next up, we have the company MapFRE. Now, MapFRE has 1,300 reviews on Glassdoor from current and past employees. They have a 3.8 out of 5-star rating. They're hiring a customer service rep for their call center billing. Now, a few things about this position. The pay is anywhere from $17.50 an hour all the way up to $19 an hour. They do give you benefits starting on day one. Of course, they are preferring someone who has Spanish and English skills, but if you're not bilingual, that's okay. It's not a requirement. They're looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. while in training. Training is 6 to 7 weeks, so they're going to give you complete paid training. Your regular schedule will be Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. But they're basically looking just for a customer service representative to play a vital role in delivering a great customer experience to their customers and agents. They're looking for somebody who's passionate about working with customers, making sure they have the best customer service experience out there. Responsibilities will include answering calls for billing and functions for all their product lines. So you'll not only be answering billing questions, but general questions as well. A high school diploma or GED and 1 to 3 years of experience in customer service is needed, along with great communication skills, those problem-solving skills, and the ability to be a learner, take constructive feedback from both peers and supervisors, and put that into action. It does say they're offering fully remote positions anywhere in the United States, or if you're near their Webster office, you can work 3 days in the office and 2 days remote. So even though they're hiring within the United States, you do have to make sure that you can work those Eastern time zone hours. But if you've been waiting for Spotify, they are hiring a data science lead, creator, marketing for their music division. They're looking for a passionate marketing data science leader to join their marketing team. You're going to help artists build an audience, monetize their fans, and ultimately live off their work. You can work in their New York office or if it's remote for the Americas. It does say that the artist of Spotify, that they play their music, is used more than 1 million artists monthly to get insights, reach new listeners, and deepen their connection with their audience. So they want to give back to those artists. So what you're going to do as the marketing lead is you're going to work closely with cross-functional teams of marketing managers, data scientists, and the wider R&D or research and development organization who are passionate about helping artists thrive. You'll deliver data stories to power Spotify's artists' most impactful storytelling campaigns, such as Artist Wrapped or Fan Study. You're going to use this data for insights to advise Spotify's global creating marketing strategy in close partnership with their leadership team. You'll develop metrics and marketing attributes to model and improve the understanding of the impact to enable us to iterate. You'll develop those data-driven case studies to showcase the impact of Spotify's products and services across different marketing touch points. So you need to be analytical. You're going to be running data, analyzing that data, and looking at the story that the data tells and coming up with different marketing campaigns. Now, best thing about this, if you have data and marketing experience, they don't require any kind of degree. They do want somebody who has 8 years experience working with data to drive marketing initiatives. They want somebody who has experience crafting successful metrics, running a power analysis, and determining statistical significance. Somebody who has experience with data modeling and engineering, running APIs and large-scale data sets, and a good understanding of marketing. So somebody who can be a compelling storyteller and can communicate in inspiring ways with audiences. Now, pay and benefits. That is where this job shines. Pay is anywhere from $161,495 a year all the way up to $230,708 a year. On top of that, you get equity with Spotify. You get a health insurance, 401k plans, a paid time off, all of those benefits. But if marketing is not your thing and you're more into looking for something in the healthcare field, I told you I had a little bit of something for everyone in this video. The company Surgical Notes has 93 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.8 out of 5-star rating. They're hiring a revenue cycle representative. This is again remote for the United States, so this is going to be like a healthcare billing job. Surgical Notes is hiring medical accounts representative to assist with follow-up and collections of third-party payer accounts receivable. So third-party being like insurance companies. You're basically going to work through their book of AR accounts receivables and develop a plan for maintaining proper coverage on all accounts. You're going to review the aged accounts, trace and appeal unpaid or erroneously paid or paid in error on denied accounts. You'll work all denials and underpayments received within 24 hours by researching steps previously taken and take additional action as needed to resolve the claim. You obtain any pre-authorizations from the insurance company as needed, reviewing and addressing correspondence daily, including emails from clients. So this is going to be like a non-phone billing position. Those claims are going to go out to the insurance companies, and when they're not paid, you're just going to follow up on the denials, find out why they're not paid, and take any action you can to make sure that they get paid. They're requiring 1 year experience working with a healthcare provider or an associate's degree in healthcare. So you don't need a degree as long as you have 1 year of healthcare experience. They do want somebody who's experienced in medical billing, someone who can work with those Microsoft Office systems, Outlook, Word, and Excel, someone who has great attention to detail, great organizational skills, and great communication skills. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $23 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you, thank you, thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If none of these job leads were for you, I am so sorry about that, but please leave down below in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I can't promise anything, but I do read those, keep those in mind when I'm out there searching for job leads to share. Again, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback. Share with all your friends and family so we can all live our happiest, healthiest life working from home. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.